What if it has been your dream to make a living using the internet as your vehicle? What if you are basically shy and don't socialize with people that much? What if you have looked around to find a company that you could make money but not have to recruit people to make your business successful? What if you read that a website could be a successful tool to use to make money online? The problem with that is you don't know how to create a website and you don't have money to have it done for you. You really are afraid to venture out on the internet for fear of being taken advantage of by the gurus who promise they can show you how to make money online. Finally, out of desperation, you saw an opportunity that was very attractive. It required a small investment, something that you could afford, and that the program will train you on how to build your own website and provide products that you could be shown how to sell them. What if you didn't have to worry about recruiting people but you still had to sell products to make money? So reluctantly you paid your hard-earned money to get started with your online business. Then it started to occur to you that you needed to pay more than your initial investment to really be a success. So you bought more courses that would put you in a better position, you thought. But you found out that you had become a victim of the bait and switch technique, where you start out paying a small amount of money but then discover in order to make more money you had to spend more money that was hard for you to pay. Also, the company that was training you to build your website didn't tell you that an extra cost was needed to buy traffic to attract customers to your website. You also have to pay for the products and pay for the hosting and your own domain name for your website. Your initial investment had turned into something that was draining you financially. So you had to quit before you lost more money. You wondered, is there any company that you didn't have to recruit, harass your relatives, use your warm market which was turning into your cold market? You really needed a company that would do what you could not do. There had to be a company out there online that is designed for a newbie. So you searched and couldn't find a company that could fulfill your dream of making money online. Then one day you ran across this company, an information technology company featuring digital products that included everything you needed to be successful without having to train you to build a website. This company would build it for you. Amazingly, this company has an automatic system that does all the work for you. The company will build a website for you, provide a domain name, do the hosting for you, sell the products and get customers for you, recruit for you if you are in that type of business, and provide targeted traffic to your website. This is what you had been looking for all this time. This company has state-of-the-art digital products enhanced by artificial intelligence and something called machine learning. This company has virtually over 50 state-of-the-art digital products. The name of this company is called Onpassive. Onpassive is in the pre-launch stage and they say that they are accepting people to become founders in this company. For a very small cost, one time out of pocket to you, to become a founder, but the door will close very shortly, but hopefully not before you become a founder. According to the information, when Onpassive is publicly launched, all founders would then become customers for an activation fee one time out of pocket. After that first month, the cost per month will come out of the commissions you make from the customers Onpassive gets for you each month. Onpassive will work your business for you. This company called Onpassive has recently opened 2 offices in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, in the tallest building in the world. The building is called Burj Khalifa. Onpassive has just bought 2 floors in this magnificent edifice, floors 134 and 151. Onpassive is here to stay. You can become a founder of Onpassive, but you must hurry before it is too late.